In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write fractions in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool perfect for managing projects, wikis, and documents. Adding mathematical elements like fractions can elevate your documents by making them more comprehensive and visually appealing. Let's dive right into how you can effortlessly incorporate fractions into your Notion workspace. To begin, you need to head over to your connected workspace in Notion. You can access this through your browser by entering the Notion website or simply opening the Notion app, if you have it installed. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that and enter your credentials to access your workspace. This will bring you to the Notion homepage, where all your projects, documents, and notes are neatly organized, ready for you to explore. After successfully logging in, the next thing you need to do is locate and click on the specific page where you wish to include the fraction. This could be a document you're currently working on, or a new page you're planning to start. This step ensures that you're set up for the next series of actions to display the fractions accurately. Now that you're on the desired page, it's time to type in a command that will allow you to insert equations. Simply type in block equation. This command is a gateway to a world of mathematical expressions, enabling you to add a variety of equations, calculations, and importantly for us today, fractions, directly into your Notion pages. After entering a block equation, a new field will appear where you can input your math operations. To write a fraction, you need to type in the latex command #frac. This command is essential, as it tells Notion you're about to insert a fraction. The syntax to follow is quite straightforward. After typing a frac, you enter your fraction components. Essentially, you use curly braces to enclose the numerator and denominator. It should look something like this. frac numerator denominator. This setup allows you to clearly distinguish the parts of your fraction, ensuring it appears correctly within your document. Once you've entered the command, your fraction should display beautifully within your Notion page, blending seamlessly with the rest of your content. Being able to add fractions not only enhances the clarity of the information you're presenting, but also adds a professional touch to your documents. And that's it. You now know how to write fractions in Notion. Experiment with different numbers and see how each one appears. This is a fantastic skill that can really enhance the way you present data or calculations in your projects. Happy Notioning!